Hi guys, two very quick health tips. First one is about immunity. It's been raining very heavily, especially in this season, and many of you must have caught cold. The most important health tip is for your immunity, and I've told you guys about the role of vitamin C in boosting your immunity and in getting over these infections faster. The second important factor when it comes to taking care of your immunity is having lots of ginger and turmeric. So you can do ginger turmeric tea, you can add a little bit of black pepper, or that will help you get rid of cold and cough really well. And have this kadha. You can make ginger, black pepper, and turmeric ka kadha, and have it 2 to 3 times a day, and it will really help you get over infections faster, and it will boost your immunity also very well. These are potent herbs which also helps you cleanse your gut. So they also help you in getting good skin, in clearer skin. So try this kadha and or the herbal tea, and let me know how you feel about it. And if you have any doubts or questions, put it in the comment section below. And always remember, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed.